Hello everyone, I am Professor Upatma from Nashik. Here I come with the new topic or shifting theorem for Laplace transform and inverse Laplace transform. Let's begin with the theorem. Statement. Now we are starting the first shifting theorem for Laplace transform. If Laplace of f of t is f of s, Laplace of f of t is f of s, then Laplace of e raised to at into f of t, Laplace of e raised to at into f of t is nothing but f of s minus a. So this f of s minus a is nothing but in f of s. In f of s, replace s by s minus a. So you will easily get this f of s minus a. At the same time, you can find Laplace of e raised to minus at f of t is nothing but f of s plus a. Again, you can easily find out this value of f of s plus a. So f of s plus a is nothing but in f of s, in this f of s, replace s by s plus a. So students, this is a first shifting theorem for Laplace transform. So let's begin with the example. Example number 1, that is, if you want to find the Laplace of e raised to 2t into cos of 3t. So students, this first shifting theorem is applicable only when there is a product of exponential term and f of t. So here exponential term is e raised to 2t and f of t is here cos 3t. So this first shifting theorem is applicable. So this cos 3t is nothing but f of t. So using the first shifting theorem, Laplace of e raised to 2t into cos 3t is nothing but, so students see here value of a. What is value of a? That is 2. So this value must be f of s minus 2. Now we want to find this value of f of s minus 2. And how to get this f of s minus 2? So we can find out that value by f of s. So in f of s, we will replace s by what? S minus 2. So students, first we need the value of f of s. Now how to find this value of f of s? F of s can be found out by taking Laplace of f of, because Laplace of f of t is nothing but what? F of s. So using this f of t, we will take its Laplace. So Laplace of f of t is Laplace of function is here cos 3t. So Laplace of cos 3t is nothing but, by using the standard formula, Laplace of cos 3t is nothing but s upon s square plus 9. So here we got the value s upon s square plus 9. So this is nothing but f of s. So here we got the value of f of s. So we can easily replace s by s minus 2 in given f of s. So that is nothing but f of s minus 2. So our answer is, just replace this s by what? S minus 2. So our answer is s minus 2 upon s minus 2 bracket square plus 9. So here we got the value of Laplace of e raised to 2t into cos 3t as s minus 2 upon s minus 2 bracket square plus 9. Let's start with the second example. Second example is here Laplace of e raised to 3t into t cube. Again, you can easily identify this type because exponential term with f of t. So here f of t is here t cube. So we can use here first shifting theorem. So using first shifting theorem, Laplace of e raised to 3t into t cube is nothing but f of s minus 3 because value of a is here 3. So this must be f of s minus 3. And how to get this f of s minus 3 in f of s? Just replace s by what? S minus 3. So our task is to find out the value of f of s. How to get this f of s? Using f of t, you can calculate f of s. So Laplace of f of t. So for the given example, f of t is here t cube. So Laplace of t cube. So using the standard result, Laplace of t raised to n is nothing but n factorial upon s raised to n plus. So this is a standard result of Laplace of t raised to n as n factorial upon s raised to n plus n. So what is the value of n here? 3. So this value must be 3 factorial divided by s raised to 4. So this is 3 factorial is nothing but 6 upon s raised to 4. So this is f of s. So here we got the value of f of s as 6 upon s raised to 4. So in this f of s, just replace by s by what? S minus 3. So here we got the answer as s minus 3 bracket raised to 4. So this is a required answer for the Laplace of e raised to 3t into t cube. Let's see one more example. Laplace of e raised to minus 4t sine 3t upon 3. Again, there is a product of exponential term with function. So this sine 3t upon 3 is nothing but f of t. So again, using the first shifting theorem, value of a is here 4. But here it is minus 40 is there. So this value must be f of s plus a. When the exponential term having plus sign, here will be s minus a. Here it is e raised to minus 80. So that's why here is f of s plus a. So value of a is here. Value of a is 4. And how to get this f of s plus 4? In f of s, replace s by s plus 4. So using this f of t, first we will find out the value of f of s. And after finding f of s, just replace s by what? S plus 4. So that is our required answer. So let's find out. So Laplace of f of t. So Laplace of sine 3t upon 3. So here 1 by 3 is constant. So using linearity property, you can take constant term outside. So what remains here? Laplace of sine 3t. So again, using the standard result, Laplace of sine 3t is here. 1 by 3 is as it is. Laplace of sine 3t is here. 3 upon s square plus 9. Using the standard result, we have find out that is 3 upon s square plus 9. So this 3 get cancelled. Simply remain 1 upon s square plus 9. So this is nothing but our f of s. So just in this f of s, just replace s by what? S plus 4. So 1 upon, so our answer is 1 upon s plus 4 bracket square plus 9. So using f of s, here we have find out the value of f of s plus 4. So s plus 4, just we have replaced s by what? S plus 4. As we have seen the first shifting theorem for Laplace transform. At the same time, we are going to learn the first shifting theorem for inverse Laplace transform. So using the statement of Laplace transform, we can easily write the statement for inverse Laplace transform. So here is Laplace of f of t is what here? F of s. Then Laplace of e raised to at into f of t is nothing but what? F of s minus a. So from this statement, we can write the first shifting theorem for inverse. So using Laplace, we will find out the statement for inverse. So shift this L to RHS. So statement become L inverse of f of s minus a. L inverse of f of s minus a. What left there only? E raised to at into f of t. Means using Laplace, we have written the statement for inverse. Just shifting L to what? Right side. So this become L inverse of f of s minus a is nothing but e raised to at into f of. Means using Laplace, you can easily remember the statement for inverse also. So for the inverse, L inverse of f of s minus a is nothing but what? E raised to at into f of t. So here we are taking a outside. That's why here e raised to at into f of t. So here we are taking a outside. So what remain there? E raised to at into L inverse of f of s. We are shifting this a. That's why e raised to at into f of t. If it is suppose L inverse of f of s plus a, L inverse of f of s plus a. So here we want to shift this plus a. So this become e raised to minus at into f of t. So what is this f of t? F of t is nothing but L inverse of f of s. So taking inverse of f of s, you will get the value of f of t. So this is a statement for first shifting theorem for the inverse Laplace transform. Now we have seen the statement for first shifting theorem for inverse Laplace transform. That is L inverse of f of s minus a is nothing but e raised to at into f of t. Suppose if it is f of s minus a, so here will be e raised to at. And suppose if it is s plus a, so can take e raised to minus at outside. So students try to remember this both the statements. L inverse of f of s minus a is nothing but e raised to at into f of t, and L inverse of f of s plus a is nothing but e raised to minus at into f of t. As we have seen the examples for the Laplace transform, that is Laplace of e raised to 2t into cos 3t, we got the answer as s minus 3 upon s minus 3 bracket square plus 4. So same example we are solving for shifting. Means here we got from LHS to RHS. Now we are finding the example for L inverse of s minus 3 upon s minus 3 bracket square plus 4. So here we are going to find out the L inverse of s minus 3 upon s minus 3 bracket square plus 4. So here you will get this value. Means using Laplace, we got this value. Using inverse, we will get value as e raised to 2t into cos 3t. Let's start the example. So here we want to find the L inverse of s minus 3 upon s minus 3 bracket square plus 4. So students, you can easily identify this theorem because see the numerator having s minus 3 as well as denominator having s minus 3. So this bracketed value is nothing but f of s minus 3. This bracketed value is nothing but f of s minus 3. So using this statement, L inverse of f of s minus a, L inverse of f of s minus a is nothing but e raised to at into f of t. So here value of a is here 3. So this value is nothing but using this statement e raised to 3t. We have take 3 outside. So that's why here e raised to 3t L inverse of what left there? S upon s square plus 4. Right? So here we have taken 3 outside. Means we have shifted this 3. So that's why e raised to 3t. So e raised to 3t, and we know the standard result for L inverse of s upon s square plus 4 is nothing but cos of 3t. So we got the answer of L inverse of s minus 3 upon s minus 3 bracket square plus 4 as e raised to 3t cos 3t. See here, Laplace of e raised to 2t cos 3t, we got s minus 3 upon s minus 3 bracket square plus 4. And using inverse, we'll get this value of RHS as e raised to 3t cos of 2t. So we have seen the example for Laplace, that Laplace of e raised to 3t into t cube, as we got the answer as 6 upon s minus e raised to 4. Same example, we are going to solve it by inverse. So here we want to find the value of L inverse of 6 upon s minus 3 raised to 4. So here we want to find this value of L inverse of 6 upon s minus 3 raised to 4. So L inverse of 6 upon s minus 3 raised to 4. So students, this is nothing but f of s minus 3, right? So using the shifting theorem, here is s minus 3. So here you will take 3t outside. So e raised to 3t, L inverse of what left there? 6 upon s raised to 4, right? Now using the, here we can take 6 common. So 6 e raised to 3t L inverse of 1 upon s raised to 4. So using the standard result of L inverse of 1 upon s raised to n plus 1 is nothing but t raised to n upon n factorial. So this value is 6 e raised to 3t. So value of this 4 can be written as 3 plus 1. So L inverse of 1 upon s raised to 3 plus 1 is nothing but t cube upon 3 factorial. So this 6 and 3 factorial get cancelled. We got the answer as e raised to 3t into t cube. So here inverse we got the value as e raised to 3t into t cube. This is the required answer. So students, in this video, we have seen the co-shifting theorem for Laplace transform and inverse Laplace transform. Thanks for watching my video. Keep watching my video.